Joe. Thank you. Thank you, Joe.
See you tomorrow. Bye. Hello, I'm Joe, and this is Ozzy. Working hard, we're very busy. Together, we visit town and country, making friends with every delivery. We have no deliveries today. We're gonna have an easy day. And I have just the thing.
Joe, where are you?
Oh, hello, Aisling.
What's that on the counter, Joe?
Nothing, it's just something I'm getting ready for a delivery.
Well, never mind that. I have an order for you to deliver. Are you ready?
I'm always ready.
That's good, Joe. Today you're going to the farm. You will be delivering grass for the cows, bedding for the pigs, and food for the sheep. There are lots of animals to see at the farm, Joe. It will be a great day. And remember, wherever you go, there will be someone to help you.
Hello, Joe. My name is Joey.
Joey is waiting with Sarah the farmer. They will help you with your deliveries today.
Great. Off to the farm.
Well, we made it to the farm. Now we have to look for the farmer who's going to help us.
Joe!
Joe.
Ah, there you are. Hello, I'm Joe.
Hello, Joe. I'm Sarah, and this is Joey.
Hello, Joey.
Hi.
That sounds like my name.
Yeah.
We need to make our deliveries. Will you help us?
Yes!
Great, let's go. Oh, I forgot. What was on the list? Grass for the cows, food for the sheep, and a bed for the pigs. let's go find the cows.
Let's love sign. Cow. Cow. You sign. Cow. Good. Cow.
Yes, you're a lovely cow, and I have a delivery for you.
Some grass.
You want more?
Wait here.
Ozzy, we need more grass. This is perfect, Ozzy. I'll get the cows.
More grass. Happy cows.
Hello, Piggy.
Let's love sign. Pig. Pig. You sign. Pig. Good. Pig.
My next delivery is for you.
What do you mean, no? It's a new bed. It's very comfortable. I'll show you. See?
Is Joe asleep?
I know what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry if it's not the right delivery. Just say Dizzy,
Dizzy,
Dazzy, Day.
You did the magic.
Good job. Good job, Joey.
This is a much better bed.
Piggy?
Hello.
There are so many lovely animals at the farm.
I like it here.
But I still have more deliveries to make. What's left to deliver?
Hands up. Hands up.
Ah, yes. Food for the sheep.
Let's love sign. Sheep. Sheep. You sign. Sheep. Good. Sheep.
Come here, Martin the Miss Sheep, we have some food for you. Bananas.
Banana.
You don't eat bananas? Oh, I love bananas. Oh,
Dizzy?
I prefer bananas. Well, we've had a great day, but now we have to go to make more Dizzy Dazzy Deliveries. Bye! Bye! Bye!
Bye, Joe.
Thank you!
You're welcome.
Bye.
Hello, Aisling.
Joe, we have more deliveries for you to make. Come back to the depot. Goodbye.